Good morning.
Good morning, Vietnam!
And what a morning it is. Day 2 in Malta. And the sun is absolutely beaming and I can feel it in my chest, in my inner intuition, as you would say, that it's going to be a wonderful day today. First things first, I'm hitting the basketball court.
Hot diggity dog!
Because yesterday evening, full of kids, everyone's cranking the basketball nets to make them lower, and where's the fun in that?
If it's not fun, why bother?
There is no fun in that. So, literally the first thing that I've done, shower, brush my teeth, make myself a green shake, and hitting the basketball court. And then I'm going to go to the outdoor gym as well. I'm not gonna lie.
I lie.
I've been slacking the last couple of weeks.
No slacking.
Haven't been feeling too well in my inner energy, in my inner self. But I feel absolutely amazing now. So yeah, there's no excuse. First things first, we're gonna crank this handle. The higher the hoop gets, the harder it is to crank it. Need 2 hands for this now.
That's what she said!
Now the height seems to be moderately appropriate. So let's get into it.
Let's play some basketball.
It's cool. We're going to edit these out. Every shot that's not going in is getting edited out to make myself look like a pro basketball player. So close.
You suck!
Ooh!
He shoots, he scores, right up the veg.
Swish and flick. Wingardium Leviosa.
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Above the rim.
I believe I can fly.
Perfect.
I believe I can touch the sky. I believe I can soar.
Now we're warming up. Now we're getting somewhere.
I believe I can fly.
Ooh, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Boom. It didn't take me long to work up quite a sweat in this heat minute. Now that I'm nice and loose, nice and warm, I'm gonna hit the chin-up bar.
And I will shout slogans at you. Push. Harder. Go past the max. Reach over the top. Master your ass. What are those? You're doing this station north backwards.
What is that, Private Pile?
Did you pick that gun because it looks cool?
Now step over to the Abdominator.
Look at him. Why you put on weight, though? Whoa, wait. Wow. I'm like getting the feeling of coming in the gym. I'm coming day and night. I mean, it's terrific.
We've got the workout out of the way, and now we're gonna head to Cirkeva. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but we're gonna go there and we're going to catch a boat to Comino. I saw the pictures and videos from there. The water looks absolutely incredible. The weather's absolutely incredible today.
It's hot. Damn hot. Real hot.
And it's one of those places that I really wanted to come and visit when I came to Malta.
And travels, living life so free. In every corner there's a story to see. Follow your heart, let the journey unfold. With headshot in every frame is gold. Winding roads and endless seas, finding beauty in the mystery. Every turn a chance to grow, every moment a story to show. The world is vast, but we belong. In every laugh, in every song, through divine guidance we see the way, and travels leads us every day. And travels where the soul takes flight, through the mountains, the stars, and the endless night. With intuition as the guide we trust, spreading joy and love, it's so wanderlust. And travels living life so free. In every corner there's a story to see. Follow your heart. Everybody look at me, 'cause I'm sailing on the
Look at the color of the water behind me. I cannot wait to get a dip in.
Every corner there's a story to see. Follow your heart, let the journey unfold. With enchanted, every frame is gold.
Bogies!
Every step we take, new dreams abound. No map, no plan, just the open sky. Following the whispers that guide us high.
I think he just shit himself.
Every moment feels
I think he just shit himself.
We're chasing joy, letting love ignite. And shot, it's capturing the vibe.
I was just looking at this cave. It reminded me of something. Does it remind you of anything?
Beef cottons!
Ah, is this your girlfriend?
For those of you who have a dirty mind,
You are creepy as shit.
I think you're on the same wavelength as me. So far, Comino Island has been absolutely amazing. Stunning views, the gorgeous blue lagoon, the sea, the sun. It is absolutely incredible, man.
Did you just assume my gender?
The freshness of the air. I'm in love with this place. I genuinely am. I mean, look behind me, how can you not be? Absolutely incredible. There is so much natural beauty here. Just look at this cave behind me. It is incredible. Just being able to sit here and listen to the waves crash against the rocks with your eyes closed, sitting on the precipice of a watery abyss. It's very relaxing. And exhilarating at the same time. Can that even be a thing? I think so. Because that's what I'm feeling. I'm feeling exhilaration, but at the same time, relaxation.
What you talking about, Willis?
I've noticed these little white flowers sprouting from the barren wasteland on the island, and I think it's quite special. Where everything seems to die, these little white flowers just blossom. Look at the plant behind it, absolutely dry, dead. There's rocks, there's nothing growing apart from these. I'm just heading back to the boat pier and the beach. I really need another swim just to refresh myself. I've been climbing all over the island for a couple of hours, getting drone shots, getting photos, getting some audio as well of the waves.
And travels where the spirit soars through open hearts and untold shores, living life to the fullest.
Breathe a nipple!
Through love in what we believe. Follow your heart, let the magic take hold. With hand shot at every tail is gold.
You turn the camera off, and I'll be naked when you come back.
Before I knew it, it was 4 p.m. and it was time for me to head back. I jumped on the last boat to Malta, sat back and enjoyed the beautiful sunset.
And travels where the spirit soars through open hearts and untold shores, living life to the fullest, bold and true, with hand shot in every frame's a view. And travels all the stories we weave, through faith, through love, and what we believe. Follow your heart, let the magic take hold. With hand shot it, every tale is gold.